If I could go back in time and talk to my younger self, I would probably say, like, fasten the seatbelt, you're up for quite a ride.
When Java first appeared in the mid-90s, it was in many ways a breath of fresh air. It was a simpler language. I was writing a book. It was almost like a priest writing a book about their religion and discovering during the process that they no longer believe. And I included 30,000 lines of code with the book. I was a little surprised by people actually wanting to use that code.
700 pages of the book. I really liked what I read there. Every single chapter, every single problem space laid out in the book, allowing for the developer to do things the way they wanted. Turning the book into a properly managed open source project.
Wow, this is incredible code. It does everything he talked about. It works.
The hardest part actually being the name. We had to choose a name. Suggestion came up to call it Spring.
From, say, 2003 through maybe 2008, there was an intense battle.
There was a group of people that were claiming that everything needed to be standardized for it to be useful.
When we came along, we heavily disrupted that space.
It is a different paradigm, a different way of thinking, and a different way of expressing logic.
Spring came out and said, no, we're not going to try and standardize this. That would be too slow and the results would be insufficient.
When we got to our millionth download, I was pretty convinced.
All the possibilities that gave, because it changed the entire ecosystem.
Independent framework and independent programming.
There's a lot of protocol there. Developers don't want to do this. They just want to invoke something, get their job done.
Spring Boot came out and it gave us some fresh air.
The technology itself is very backwards compatible.
Knowing or seeing Netflix and knowing that there is Spring behind. Booking airline tickets and knowing that the code you wrote is behind that.
I got an error message from my personal banking app the other day that was obviously generated by Spring Boot.
The thing I love most about the Spring community is the people.
Something interesting in the Spring team is that innovation is very organic.
Spring is the tool that every Java developer uses to solve all their needs.
It's just a great team of people that do have that commitment to open source.
We keep on adding new modules based on community feedback.
This community is just amazing. If you go out there, you can make a lot of friends.
We actually became the mainstream Java framework